Welcome to Medicine Talk BD channel. The video I am presenting to you today is about probiotic capsules, which contain 4 billion probiotic combinations. First, we will know what diseases this probiotic capsule mainly works on. Among the diseases that this probiotic capsule works on, number 1 is diarrhea, number 2 is indigestion, number 3 is urinary tract infection. Number 4, antibiotic-induced diarrhea problem. For those who have frequent diarrhea problems, this probiotic capsule is very important to kill diarrhea bacteria in the stomach. In addition, this probiotic is useful for stomach pain due to indigestion. People who have problems with diarrhea caused by antibiotic use are good at using these probiotic capsules. Now we will know the fault of the probiotic capsule. It is 1 to 2 tablets per day. Now, we will find out whether you can use this probiotic capsule during pregnancy. You can definitely use it during pregnancy. It does not cause any adverse reactions on the breast. Now we will know what are the side effects of this probiotic capsule. The capsule does not have any side effects. It is very tolerable and you can use it easily, and it is suitable for those who have serious problems with changes in the body. Now let us know what are the instructions for this probiotic capsule. It is recommended that patients who are hypersensitive to any of its ingredients should not take this probiotic capsule. This probiotic capsule was first discovered in Bulgaria in 1905, hence its name. The probiotic capsule must be stored below 25 degrees Celsius, and the probiotic and any medication must be stored separately. You must consult a doctor before taking any medicine, including probiotics, and you should not take any medicine without consulting a doctor. Subscribe to my channel to get the next video today, and